This tutorial will demonstrate how to use Instant Axcet to add a new employee who will use electronic onboarding to complete payroll forms and benefit enrollment, if applicable. Your onboarding screens and information will vary from what is shown in the following demonstration based on your company. You can pause and resume this tutorial at any time by using the pause button at the bottom of the screen. To begin the onboarding process, the new employee must be added in Instant Axcet. This site may be reached by going to the AxcetHR.com website and selecting For Our Clients, Manager Login, Manager Portal as shown here. You will log in using your own name and password. Once you have logged in, click HR Action in the menu on the left. Then select New Hire. To get started, you'll click Continue. From here, you'll begin entering the employee's information. All fields with the red asterisk, like the Social Security number field here, are required. Fields that are not required should be left empty, as the new employee will complete this information as required. Clicking the Start Over button will start the entire process over, and any information already entered will be lost. Please note, if the new employee has been previously employed with Axcet HR Solutions, a message will appear saying, "There is an issue with this Social Security number. Please contact your administrator." If this message is received, the new employee will need to complete paper payroll and benefit enrollment forms. Please contact your payroll administrator for a new hire packet. When entering the employee's name, please use all caps. All required information on this screen has now been entered, so we'll click Continue. Again, please enter address information in all caps. The new employee will need to use the email address entered here to register for onboarding. They will also receive all onboarding notifications at this email address. Only enter the personal email address. Entering a work email address will cause all notifications to be sent to that address. Make sure the email address is correct and ask the employee to add the domain @AxcetHR.com to their email client's safe senders list. All required information on this screen has now been entered, so again we'll click Continue. Regarding the employee's hire date, payroll forms are available 3 days before the date of hire and are due within 3 days after the date of hire. Again, fill out only the required fields, those marked with an asterisk. If you are unsure as to what benefit group to select, please contact your payroll administrator. Adding an employee to the incorrect benefit group can cause incorrect benefits, such as medical plans, to be offered. For the next 5 fields, worksite location down through work group, make a selection from the drop-down list if required. If a new location needs to be added, please contact your payroll administrator before proceeding with the onboard process. If you are unsure as to what pay group to select, please contact your payroll administrator. The pay group affects the payroll schedule of the employee. For the standard hours field, use the default number of hours if present. Otherwise, for non-exempt or hourly employees, use 40 hours per week for full-time employees and 30 hours per week for part-time employees. When all the required fields have been entered, click Save Changes. An employee ID will be assigned. Please record this number for future reference. New employees will receive an invitation to register within 5 minutes of their employee ID being assigned. This concludes the tutorial on adding a new employee for onboarding. You may use the controls at the bottom of the screen to rewind, or you may exit the window if you are finished.